Hi everybody, welcome to Carte Cooking Happy Hour. Thanks so much for being here. Last week we did DIY dog treats for baby booties and Brucey boy. If you didn't check that out, check it out up here. We are celebrating this week. It's a special week. It is my mom's birthday. So summer kicks off with my mom's birthday. Happy birthday, Mom. We are going to make one of her favorite cocktails. And last month we did everything in a Vitamix, and we have made this cocktail before, but we haven't done it in our Vitamix, so we are doing that today. The ingredients that you're gonna need are añejo tequila, orange juice from one whole orange, ice for blending, and bada bing cherry juice. Okay, so to get started, what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with peeling our orange first. So we're gonna take, this is what I used to do when I worked for Vitamix. We're gonna take our orange, and I'm actually, when I make a smoothie with this, I try and leave the pith on. But I'm gonna take a little bit of the pith off for this one because this is not going into like a smoothie per se. This is a tequila sunrise. So we kind of wanna take a little bit of that off. So we're gonna leave that over here on the side. So one whole orange into our Vitamix. Grab a paper towel, my hands. Ooh, that orange smells so good. Oh, and these are the Carte oranges. So good. Those are from, we got those from good old Costco. Thank you, Costco. And 2 shots of tequila. Now, I know that sounds like a lot for a breakfast drink, but hey, when it's your birthday, why not? We're gonna blend this first. I don't know why I got 2 shots out. If Grant was here, we'd be taking a shot. Maybe that's what my mom needs to do for her birthday, take a shot. Okay, so let's blend this first, and then we're gonna add in our ice. So we're gonna break this up just a little bit, just so that orange gets broken up in there. There we go. Okay, now that we have that nicely blended, I'm gonna show you here. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Oh, you can really smell the añejo in the orange. And that Carte orange is so sweet smelling. It's amazing. So now that we have that blended up, now we're gonna add in our ice. And this is about 2/3 of a cup of ice. Maybe it's more like a cup of ice, but I'm just gonna add in almost all of our cubes, and I'm gonna leave a few cubes aside. Actually, why not? Let's just put them in. That's a lot of tequila in there. 1 cup of ice. And we're gonna blend this. Now, we're not gonna blend this all the way on high because we don't want to completely turn this into juice. So we want to have a little bit of ice crunchies in there. So let's do that. Perfect. And that's done on about half speed. We're gonna pour this in. I'm not sure if we need, we're gonna use this one. Oh, that's perfect. And a little extra. Now, for the sunrise part, that's where we're gonna use our bada bing cherry juice. Mom, I know you love this part. So we're going to, actually, let's do a little technique here. Let's spoon in over a spoon. So take our bada bing cherry juice and over our spoon. We're gonna have to do a few of these so that it spreads out over the beverage, and the cherry juice is actually sinking to the bottom. And we're gonna do about a ½ ounce of cherry juice. Okay, let's take a look. Oh, that's pretty. Beautiful. And you can garnish this with an orange wheel. Let's taste. Oh, that smells so good. Okay, this is a way to start your morning. They're really good. Now, if you want a little bit more of a stronger orange flavor, use orange juice, or use a second orange and just add a little bit more tequila and dial back the ice. I probably put just a smidge too much ice in this one, so I probably should have left a few cubes out, but man, does this taste good. Happy birthday, Mom. Love you so much. This is a great way to start your day. Thanks so much, guys. We'll see you next week. Let's do that again.